Hi children, last class we started mineral based industry and we already studied about iron and steel industry. Today we will study about aluminum smelting, cement industry and chemical industry. First we will start with the aluminum smelting. Aluminum smelting. It is the second most important metallurgical industry in India. So which is the most important metallurgical industry in India? Aluminum smelting. It is light, resistant to corrosion and a good conductor of heat. So what are the properties of aluminum? It is light, then resistant to corrosion and a good conductor of heat. And it is malleable and becomes strong when it is mixed with the other metals. It is malleable and becomes stronger when it is mixed with the other metals. Now we will look what are the uses of aluminum. Aluminum mainly used for manufacture aircraft, utensils and wires. So what are the main uses of aluminum? Mainly used for manufacturing aircraft, utensils and wires. And it is used as a substitute of steel, copper, zinc and lead in a number of industries. Using as a substitute of steel, copper, zinc and lead in a number of industries. Now we will look which are the states having aluminum plants. Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. These are the states mainly having aluminum smelting plants. So once again tell me which are the states having aluminum smelting plant. Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Bauxite is the main raw material used for making aluminum. So which is the raw material used for making aluminum? Bauxite. Actually bauxite is a very bulky dark reddish colored rock. So what is bauxite? Clear children? It is very bulky dark reddish colored rock, a clay like substance. From this clay like substance aluminum is derived. Okay, they taking the aluminum. Then now we will look which are the factors affecting the location of aluminum smelting industry. Actually regular supply of electricity is needed for the location of aluminum smelting industry. Regular supply of electricity, raw material at minimum cost. These are the two important factors affecting the location of industry. So these are the main point we want to know about the aluminum smelting. Second most important metallurgical industry in India. Then ma'am told which are the important properties and uses of aluminum. Then which are the major states having aluminum smelting plants that we studied, from where aluminum is getting, that everything we studied, and what are the factors that are affecting the location of aluminum smelting. These are the main point we want to know about the aluminum smelting. Next topic, chemical industry. Chemical industry in India is fast growing and diversifying. It contributes approximately 3% in GDP. Approximately 3% in GDP. Third largest in Asia and occupies 12th position in the world. So what about the rank? 3% in GDP, third largest in Asia and occupies 12th position in the world. It comprises both large and small scale manufacturing, and rapid growth has been recorded in both organic and inorganic sectors in India. So chemical industry, both organic and inorganic sectors are there in the chemical industry. Inorganic chemicals mainly include sulfuric acid, nitric acid, alkalis, soda ash and caustic soda. So with mainly inorganic chemicals mainly include sulfuric acid, nitric acid, alkalis, soda ash and caustic soda. Soda ash is mainly used for making glass, soap, detergent and paper. So this is about inorganic chemical. Organic chemicals mainly include petrochemicals which are used for manufacturing of synthetic fiber, synthetic rubber, plastic, dyestuffs, drugs and pharmaceuticals. So what ma'am told children? Organic chemicals mainly include petrochemicals. It mainly include petrochemicals which are used for manufacturing of synthetic fiber, synthetic rubber, plastic, dyestuff, drugs and pharmaceutical. Organic chemical plants are located near oil refineries or petrochemical plants. So where the organic chemical plants are ideally located, it is located near oil refineries or petrochemical plants. So this is mainly about chemical industry. Chemical industry in India is fast growing and diversifying, 3% in GDP. It comprises both large scale and small scale manufacturing. Inorganic chemicals are there and organic chemicals are there. Inorganic chemicals include sulfuric acid, nitric acid, alkali, soda ash and caustic soda. Organic chemicals mainly include petrochemicals which are used for manufacturing synthetic fiber, synthetic rubber, plastic, dyestuff, drugs and pharmaceutical. These are the main point we want to know about chemical industry. Next one, cement industry. Cement is essential for the construction activities. Cement is essential for the construction activities such as building houses, factories, bridges, roads, airports, dams, etc. So you know children, cement industry is mainly used for construction activities. Construction activities like building houses, factories, bridges, road, transport, dams, etc. This industry requires bulky and heavy raw materials. This industry requires bulky and heavy raw materials like limestone, silica, aluminium and gypsum. So which are the raw materials used for making cement industry? Limestone, silica, alumina and gypsum. These are the main raw materials used for cement industry. So question will come, which are the raw materials used for cement industry? Limestone, silica, alumina and gypsum. These are the main raw material. Rail transportation, coal and electric power also needed for this industry, and this industry is strategically located in Gujarat. So cement plants are strategically located in Gujarat. The first cement plant was set up in Chennai in India. The first cement plant was set up in Chennai in 1904. So don't forget children, the first cement plant in India set up in Chennai in 1904. Chennai in 1904. After independence, this industry expanded. Cement industry is expanded after independence. Now India is producing a variety of cement, different types of cement that is producing in India. Okay, and many large plants and mini plants are located in India. Many large plants and mini plants are located in India. Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, like that many states are there. In these all states have different types of cement industry or cement plants. Mini plants or large plants are there in India, and this production is actually exported, have real market in East Asia, Middle East, Africa and South Asia. So this product cement has a really large scale market in East Asia, Middle East, Africa and South Asia. This is about cement industry. So cement is mainly used for constructional activities. It requires bulky and heavy raw materials like limestone, silica, aluminum and gypsum. It also needed rail transportation, coal and electric power. Strategically located in Gujarat. first cement plant was set up in Chennai 1904. After independence, this industry is expanded. Wide variety of cement that is produced in India, and many large and mini plants are there in India. Cement plants are there in India, and the production is really market in East Asia, Middle East, Africa and South Asia. These are the main points about the cement industry. I think children, today what ma'am taught that you understood. Today we mainly studied about aluminum smelting, chemical industry and the cement industry. These are the industry based on mineral based industry. I think today's topic is clear to you. If you have any doubt, ask me. We will meet in the next class.